So this is just rinsing after the last one that I made to kind of clear it out. Mainly to stop, like if you're making two different kinds of coffee, you don't want
get my Clover flavor on there, not somebody else's.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. We weigh them out specifically depending on the size of the cup. And then you grind them, and then on this little menu here, I actually select exactly what coffee I'm brewing. Because depending on which one you pick, it changes the internal settings. So the water temperature, the water pressure, the brew time, everything like that. It's connected over Wi-Fi, so it just goes online, bounces the server, and picks the best settings for that particular cup of coffee. Yeah, this is just mixing the water with the grounds, and then the vacuum's gonna kick in, and it sucks the water down through the grounds.
So something like a French press, but
very similar. The mechanics are the same, except almost exactly in reverse, which is pretty cool. And while this is doing its thing, I'm gonna go grab you a sample of the regular Komodo, just so you can compare. And it pops up a little coffee cake after it's done.
And then watch that.
There it is.
And then you just scoop that in there. So these are the same.
And that's the gone.